Good morning, horologists. Today what I got is a wag on the wall clock, Bim-Bam chimes. There is no maker anywhere on the clock, which is funny. Nothing on the face, nor the movement. I don't even know what brand the movement is, but my best guess it's a Hermele or an Argos movement. Got this clock at the little log house out in Hastings. It's a little festival they do in the last weekend of July, and they have a clock booth there. I actually have a video this a couple years back. Video is called just Clock Show. Go watch it if you want. Very nice pendulum. We got a good swing on the pendulum. It's in beat. You may notice that the clock is crooked on the wall. That's just because the suspension spring is kind of kinked or bent, and it has to be tilted one way or the other for it to be in beat, because I cannot stand hearing a clock that's like really out of beat. So, made in Germany, very nice piece, keeps great time, works perfectly, and it's surprising no one wanted this. I think it's a nice piece. It's definitely not something you see all the time. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the chimes. It's one of those Bim-Bam clocks, so it'll go Bim-Bam. And you may notice that I have cuckoo clock weights on it. That's because the clock didn't come with the original weights, and I just found these cuckoo weights, and I wondered if they work. I put them on and they work just fine, so I'm gonna keep them that way. Just doing this to make sure it's striking the right number of hours. Now we go up on 1. Okay, we are good to go. And you just wind up the weights. It's Sunday, so this is my winding day. So just wind them up till they hit the little board. Not too much pressure. And we're good to go for another week. And that's all really I have to say for this video. Suggest anything you want, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.